Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about what I bought like 4 days ago. It came in today. Today is March 9th. It's on a Saturday. I'm filming this on a Saturday. And I'm showing you what I got. So, I'm not going to eat anything of this. So, it'll be the next video. Couple of videos I'm gonna try. So let's get into it. It's his whole thing box. You see that? So I'm not showing the address because I don't want you guys to come over here. So I bought Japanese snacks. So I'll show you the first kind. I did open one earlier. So the first thing is orange chocolate Kit Kats. I can't read this because I don't know Japanese. So here's this side. They're mini. Okay. And the next thing is I did open this one. It's strawberry cats. And they do look like this. Next video I will try these. And the next thing is some stick chips. In the video I'll try these too. So these looks good. The next chips are these. I'm not going to try them, so. And they look like this. They do smell good. Piece of chips. And the next thing is some lollipops. I'm going to open them. So here's this one. I don't know what kind these are, so here's this one. I think they're all the same. Ooh. So this is different. I think these are Skittles. Next thing are some noodles. And this one is sweet and sour. And this one is curry chicken. So I hope these are good. And next thing is these. I have not tried these yet. I've never tried banana one before. And the next thing is these. I did put some in the refrigerator for a video. So they're strawberry flavored milk. So got one more thing. Another one. But this time, if I can get it out, is banana. So that's everything. So I will leave the link in the description so you guys can go get all this stuff. And I'm going to tell you guys a total too. So all this together is $63.79. And this is the end of the video because have a wonderful day. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 2K subscribers now. And I will make another video all this stuff I told you guys about. And please go get my merch. I'm making new ones soon. So have a wonderful day, guys, and peace.